India's defense exports reach a new milestone as government targets global leadership. India's defense manufacturing sector has achieved another significant milestone, with the government announcing that the country is on track to achieve its ambitious target of Rs 50,000 crore in annual defense exports by 2030. Defense officials said India's defense exports have already reached record levels, driven by growing international demand for indigenous military equipment and advanced defense technologies. The announcement comes as Indian defense manufacturers continue securing major international contracts. Hyderabad-based Sigma Advanced Systems recently won an export order worth approximately Rs 1,013 crore from a North American customer to manufacture and supply 147,000 artillery shell bodies, marking one of the largest private sector defense export deals for an Indian company. Government officials stated that more than 145 Indian companies are now exporting defense equipment to countries across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. Products ranging from missile systems to radar equipment to artillery components, naval platforms, and electronic warfare systems are helping India emerge as a reliable defense manufacturing hub. Officials also highlighted that the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives have significantly strengthened the domestic defense industry. Increased investment in research, indigenous technology, and private sector participation have enabled Indian companies to compete successfully in the global defense market while reducing dependence on imported military equipment. Defense experts believe the rapid growth in exports will generate high-skilled employment, attract fresh investments, strengthen India's strategic partnerships, and boost the country's global standing as a trusted supplier of advanced military equipment. The government remains confident that India will comfortably achieve its long-term export target while continuing to modernize its armed forces through indigenous production.